Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have their 2022 Toyota TRD Pro 4Runner in this candy apple green. I can't remember the color name exactly off the top of my head, but it's it's probably my favorite color. That and the orange. TRD Pro badging, roof rack. Oh, this thing is just so cool. Oh, you got onboard power. Oh, this is your front plate bracket. Everything about this is just overlanding. JBL sound. It's all overlanding equipped. And you can also, I don't know if you can do it when the engine's on, but drop this rear window, though. That's lock and unlock the rear hatch. Duh. Plenty of room in the back seat. The TRD Pro is really your most off-road focused 4Runner, and that's why you have all these controls up here. You have your crawl control, your different modes, garage door opener, advanced track, locking rear diff, your sunroof controls. You have your four-wheel drive controller. This thing is just, oh, I love it. But you know what I love most about it is, even being the most off-road focused variant, it still is a pleasure to drive on the road, even on the highway, which is not easily said about a lot of other off-road focused SUVs. All the specs for the engine, transmission, that's all going to be in the description, just because I can't memorize them all and I want to make sure they're factual. But good old NA V6. Love this engine. This would be such an awesome daily driver, just because I wouldn't be afraid to drive it anywhere. If I had to go to the drive-in movies and it just rained and the road was very muddy, I just know this could handle it. But I wanted to go camping, and yeah, there was a little more rocks than you'd expect on the trail to get to the camping spot. I know this could do it. And yes, you will really, in normal day-to-day driving, never, ever get close to the off-road potential of this vehicle. But to know it can do it is a lot more comforting than actually having to do it. It's just one of those cars that, ugh. I love 4Runners. I've spent a good amount of time in SR5s, limited, stuff like that, and it's just, ugh. It's one of my favorite SUVs for off-road and truck-like feeling. Nothing really beats the 4Runner, especially when you consider how livable they are. You know, they don't beat you up like a Wrangler would. This is what I mean. On the highway, I'm not swaying side to side. I'm not constantly having to make steering adjustments. This is so sorted. It is just, yeah, it is something that is pretty darn impressive. Jeep hasn't figured it out in the years of how long they've been making Wranglers. They still haven't figured it out. They've gotten close. I mean, the Bronco, that's closer than the Wrangler is. The 4Runner, man, they just know how to make it. I mean, you even have radar cruise, lane departure warning, and you can obviously shut all that off because somebody buying a TRD Pro very likely wants to drive for themselves. And I'm sure there's people out there saying, oh yeah, it should have a manual, da 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 da. No, it shouldn't. Come on, guys. At the end of the day, this is an SUV, body on frame. These stopped having manuals in like 2010 in terms of body on frame SUVs, and that was like the last of them. So let's not get carried away. And honestly, in off-road situations, this automatic, you pop it into 4 low, not have to worry about stalling it and all that stuff and having all this crawl control. It would just add tons of complexity with the manual. The automatic could just set it and forget it. Ooh, it's getting warm in here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Seacoast House of Cars, for letting me film. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.